Have you ever scrolled through celebrity Instagram feeds or watched their red carpet interviews wondering what it would be like to live that life? All the money, glamour, and attention seem appealing, right? But here's the surprising truth. Living a normal life might just be the ultimate luxury. Today, I'll walk you through 13 reasons why choosing the ordinary could actually be the extraordinary choice for happiness and fulfillment. Privacy. Celebrities face an almost complete loss of privacy, with paparazzi, fans, and media outlets closely tracking every move, relationship, and misstep. Their personal lives are fodder for the public, often exposing heartbreaks, family disputes, and even health battles in front of millions. Imagine going through something as personal as a breakup, and instead of having a few friends for support, the entire world is watching, commenting, and judging. In contrast, a normal life offers the luxury of keeping personal matters private, allowing you to process, heal, and move forward on your own terms. Without the intrusive gaze of the world, you can enjoy true freedom in your relationships and decisions. Authentic relationships. Fame can be isolating, as it attracts people interested more in the perks of status than genuine friendship. Celebrities often face the challenge of discerning real friends from those who are simply drawn to the spotlight. For those of us in a regular life, relationships are typically built on genuine bonds, shared experiences, and loyalty. Imagine the security of knowing that your friendships are rooted in authenticity, where friends are there for you regardless of what you have. This foundation allows you to cultivate long-lasting connections that thrive through life's ups and downs without suspicion or hidden agendas. Freedom from media pressure. Public figures live under a constant microscope, with critics eager to pick apart their words, appearance, and actions. This level of scrutiny can lead to anxiety, stress, and even burnout as they strive to live up to the impossible expectations of public opinion. Consider the comfort of attending an event without worrying about every detail of your outfit or behavior being dissected. Ordinary life provides a level of freedom that's unimaginable for those in the public eye. Mistakes go unnoticed, personal growth can happen privately, and identity can be explored without fear of condemnation. While celebrities and millionaires might seem wealthy, maintaining such a lifestyle often comes with immense financial pressures. From multiple homes and luxury cars to a team of staff and lifestyle obligations, their expenses often match or exceed their income. Many high-earning celebrities have faced financial ruin from the stress of keeping up appearances. In contrast, a simpler life offers the freedom to manage money on one's own terms, without the obligation to sustain an image. Regular people can save, spend, and invest wisely, free from the pressures of a public life that often demands more and more, regardless of personal preferences or needs. Interacting as a celebrity can feel transactional, as people often view them through the lens of their public persona rather than as individuals. Celebrities must wonder if people genuinely care about them or are only interested in their fame. In contrast, regular individuals enjoy unbiased, authentic interactions with strangers. Whether traveling or attending a social gathering, there's no fear that someone will approach you with an ulterior motive. These genuine, unbiased interactions allow people to connect on a human level, creating experiences grounded in sincerity rather than status. The constant pressure to remain relevant, attractive, and polished can weigh heavily on celebrities, resulting in high stress and often serious mental health struggles. Consider the relief of being able to disconnect from the world whenever you choose, to prioritize well-being without worrying about losing fans, endorsements, or public support. Ordinary life grants the priceless opportunity to rest and recharge without sacrificing your livelihood or reputation. With this freedom, mental health can be a priority, allowing for a balanced and healthy approach to life. No need to live up to high expectations. Celebrities are often held to superhuman standards, expected to be role models at every turn. Even minor mistakes can trigger public backlash, tarnishing reputations overnight. The luxury of a normal life is the ability to make mistakes, learn, and grow without the pressure of being a public figure. Free from this constant judgment, regular people can explore new ideas, take risks, and make changes without fear of damaging their brand or disappointing fans. This freedom provides a safe space to evolve naturally and without restraint. Time to pursue true passions. For celebrities, hobbies and interests are often monetized or presented as part of their brand, blurring the lines between passion and work. Imagine wanting to play an instrument or take up photography simply for enjoyment, but instead feeling pressured to turn it into content or profit. In a regular life, passions can remain purely personal, pursued out of love rather than obligation. Hobbies are free from the burden of public expectation, allowing individuals to find genuine fulfillment and personal growth. Better work-life balance. Many celebrities work long hours to maintain relevance, sacrificing personal time, vacations, and sometimes even relationships. While ordinary people also face work challenges, most have the freedom to step away from work to recharge and spend time with loved ones. This balance is critical for mental and emotional well-being, providing space to live fully outside of work obligations. Regular life allows for more control over one's schedule, a luxury that's often missing for those who feel bound to the demands of fame. Freedom to be yourself. Fame requires celebrities to adopt a certain image or brand, often forcing them to play a specific role in public. This can feel restrictive or even fake, making it difficult for them to grow or change authentically. Ordinary life allows you to be yourself fully, to evolve as you wish, and to experiment without fear of disappointing an audience. This freedom to be authentic and explore one's identity is a gift that wealth and fame often complicate or restrict. More gratitude for small joys. Living a life of constant luxury can dull one's appreciation for simple pleasures. In a regular life, moments like a quiet dinner at home, a walk in nature, or a weekend with family bring true happiness. There's no pressure to find novelty or extravagance. Joy can be found in everyday life. This ability to savor small moments fosters gratitude and a deep sense of fulfillment, allowing one to truly experience the beauty of life's simplest joys. Avoiding negative publicity. For celebrities, personal missteps can quickly turn into scandals, broadcast for public consumption, and often exaggerated by the media. Regular individuals can handle their mistakes privately, learning and growing without an audience. Without social media storms or tabloid headlines, people can overcome personal challenges on their terms, without fearing that a slip-up will haunt them publicly for years. This privacy is a rare luxury in today's interconnected world, providing a safe space for personal growth. Being present in the moment. Fame often means living on a fast-paced schedule filled with travel, appearances, and constant obligations, making it hard to savor the present. Regular life, by contrast, offers the freedom to be fully present, enjoying a quiet weekend, spending quality time with loved ones, or simply relaxing. This pace allows for mindfulness and true enjoyment of life's moments, making it easier to find happiness in the present rather than constantly chasing the next big thing. While fame and wealth can look exciting, they often come with a cost that's easy to overlook. From maintaining privacy to building genuine relationships, a normal life lets us enjoy things that many celebrities and millionaires rarely experience. Happiness isn't found in luxury or excess, it's in those little things, moments with family, the freedom to be yourself, and the calm that comes from living at your own pace. Let's take a moment to appreciate what we have. A roof over our heads, people who care about us, and the freedom to live without the pressure of the public eye. These are things to be truly grateful for, and they're the real luxuries in life.